Hello, my awesome Algebra 3 students. We are ready for another exciting online trip. Today, we will use a recursive formula to find the first n terms of a sequence. If the first term, which is the a sub 1 term of a sequence, is known, then the recursion formula can be used to determine the remaining terms. A recursive formula defines the nth term of a sequence as a function of the previous term. We're going to have to use the previous term to get the next term. Let's look at an example. We would like to find the first 4 terms of the sequence in which the a sub 1 term is known to be 5. Then we're going to use the formula for the nth term. It's going to be 3 times a sub n minus 1 plus 2, where the n is greater than or equal to 2. It's greater than or equal to 2 because you see we already have the a sub 1 term. So we know that the first term, a sub 1, is equal to 5. We're going to use our recursive formula now to find the second term. So here's our recursive formula. Each term of the first term, well, each term after the first term, because we already know the first term, the is the equal sign. 3 times a sub n minus 1, the a sub n minus 1 will be the previous term, plus 2. So let us continue. Again, remember that the a sub 1 term was given. So it's a sub 1 is equal to 5. And here's our formula. Our formula is here. So our n this time is 2, because you see we already know what a sub 1 is. So it's a sub 2. This n and this n are the same. So it's 3 times a sub 2 minus 1 plus 2. Well, 2 minus 1 is 1. So it's 3 times a sub 1 plus 2. But we know that a sub 1 is 5. So we substitute for a sub 1, 5. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 gives us 17. So the second term, the a sub 2 term of this sequence, is 17. And remember, we're asked to find the first 4 terms. So let's find our a sub 3 term. This time the n is 3. We're using our recursive formula. The n again is 3. This n and this n are the same. So it's a sub 3 equals 3 times a sub 3 minus 1 plus 2. Well, 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have 3 times a sub 2 plus 2. But remember, we just found a sub 2 to be what? 17. So it's 3 times 17, which is 51, plus 2 gives us 53. So our a sub 3 term is 53. And again, we're asked to find the first 4 terms. So let's find our 4th term here. And we're using our recursive formula. And remember, this n and this n are the same. This time the n is 4. So it's a sub 4 equals 3 times a sub 4 minus 1 plus 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. So it's 3 times a sub 3 plus 2. But we just found that a sub 3 is 53. So it's 3 times 53 plus 2. 3 times 53 is 159 plus 2. We get 161. So the a sub 4 term is 161. And therefore, the first 4 terms of our recursive formula there, it's 5, 17, 53, 161. A sub 1 term, a sub 2 term, a sub 3 term, a sub 4 term. The first term, the second term, the third term, and the 4th term. And as you are reviewing or looking at this video, remember to stop, rewind, review. Stop, rewind, review until you understand what's happening. And my love going out to you.